Before I start today's video, I want to tell you about the PC signed Pokemon packs right here. Every pack has 6 cards, 1 PC signed card, which is in the front here, and a guaranteed, yes, I said it, guaranteed holo or reverse holo card. You could possibly even hit a GX, EX, any of those shiny looking cards, you could hit. You're getting a shiny card no matter what. But the possibilities of hitting something else are extremely high this time. Every single order comes with a PC sticker and a thank you card inside. Now I'm also giving away all these theme decks. 6 packs will have one of these inside. Now the biggest thing is if you order within the next 48 hours, you could get lucky and win this fossil pack right here or the green leaf. Both of these valuing hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now I love doing this. I've done it in the past and y'all completely sold out both times. So I still got a couple hundred left. If you guys want to hop on it, down below is the link. Remember, order within the next 48 hours and you have a chance to win a vintage pack as well. Regardless, you're getting a pack. You're no matter what hitting holo, reverse holo, could even hit something crazy. 6 of you will get these theme decks. I'm just gonna drop them in. And every order comes with a thank you card and a PC sticker. Copper packs right now before they're gone. Enjoy the video. Before we get an aquarium though, let's see what kind of fish they got. That one's really, really pretty. Should we get this one?
Oh, that one's not,
oh, okay, yep, let's not buy that one. Oh my gosh, look what Taylor just found. Yep, the tank is officially done. Look how pretty those things are. Oh, it was a rainy morning. There you go, hogs. Here you go, other pigs. And rescue buddy from last video is in the back over there. Hey bud, I'm feeding, come on. Let's go. We rescued him from getting shot. If you haven't watched the video, I posted it yesterday and you better go watch because it's an absolute bang. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be, well, first we got to feed the animals and then we are doing what I told you guys I would do if it got 20,000 likes. 2 videos ago, I said 20,000 likes and I will create a betta fish tank. Again, I haven't done one in a while. It hit like 20 something, 26,000? A lot more than what I asked for. That shows me y'all want to see it, so I'm doing it. Gary. Okay, like always. Bud. Look at that mallard. I'm coming to you guys in just a second. Look at it, I had to barricade you in there. All you do is escape. Here we go. In today's video, don't forget we're also going to be naming our new pig. I told you guys to comment last video. It has thousands of comments as well of y'all trying to name them, but I got a name that we all actually agreed on. It has the most likes I've seen in my comment section in a very long time. So stay tuned because we're about to name the pig. Y'all are all wet. Hey Turk, look at you, look at you. Whoop. Eat up, everyone. Perfect, that was awesome. Now you two aren't too much duckling anymore. Look at you, you're huge. So I was right, these are both males, that's for sure. We got a male here, male there, and a female over yonder somewhere. Oh, there she is. She's right there next to mama. That's mom right there. And there she is right there, female. Kind of looks like a pekin. Kevin, that is not the dad, but Kevin is also a wild Muscovy duck that it came into the property. Oh yeah, show off. Oh! Dude, when are you gonna realize that does absolutely nothing? It has been months since you just kicked this. That's why I gotta put this board up. Look at him. You want some food? It is always an adventure feeding the animals out here. I'm excited for today's video. If you are excited, make sure to drop a like, smash that like button for me. And we are just about ready to get right on into, well, not quite yet. We gotta name the pig first. Then we're gonna get right on into today's video. It is time to name Mr. Talkative over here. Super talkative pig. We rescued last video from being shot by his original owner. And let me tell you, there's a lot of comments here, but I can tell you one thing. The most commented and most liked name has 1,000 likes. Pumbaa. Pumbaa, like Lion King, would be perfect to do because of his tusks and how he's so talkative. Pumbaa is this pig right here's name. He's still winking. Shout out to Jackson and Carson are the 2 people that I saw here comment about it. Here's another one, Soul. Lots of you guys commented. Thank you to everyone who commented down below. Pumbaa! Oh, you just got taken out by the unknown. We don't even have a name for you either. But just realizing now it's Willow. We rescued Willow. And we only know her name is Willow because we saw the Facebook post when she went missing before. If you didn't know, I found this pig and that pig roaming the neighborhood. And I rescued them and no one ever claimed them on Facebook. This one does not have a name though. Super finicky. If you guys want to, drop some comments to name her as well. Why not, right? Comment down below. Without further ado though, that is the feeding for the day. I'm excited because I got some really cool stuff to show you in today's video. We're about to head over to the fish store and start picking out some cool aquariums. And not only aquariums, we're getting betta fish in today's video as well. Stay tuned, stick along, let's go. Wow. All right, Obviously, we need to buy an aquarium first, so we're in the right spot, don't you say? Don't you say? The last time I came here and did a video, it was like 2 videos ago, you guys loved it, reminded you of like the old days, so I think I'm gonna buy something like this again. Before we get an aquarium though, let's see what kind of fish they got in stock. Some koi fish, hey? A little bit of koi fish action up there. He's not looking too hot, I'll be honest with you. A bunch of little goldfish down here. We got some more goldfish over here. Oh, a lot of goldfish over here. These are feeder goldfish, so these are gonna probably go to a bunch of Oscars or something. Little tiger Oscars, what's up little buddies? If you watch the channel, you've seen it. That's a baby version, like this big, except for the ones in my pond are about 8 inches.
Hey, we're in public.
Oh my God, dude.
What?
Don't you live in Texas?
You're in Texas, Paul, not in Florida. You came here. He struggles a lot of locations.
Wait a second, no, wait a second. Where am I?
You're at 531 State Route 7S, Royal Palm Beach, FL.
Royal Palm Beach.
In Texas, it's outside of Dallas.
No,
like
it's
one of the
not.
surrounding suburban areas.
I'm in Palm Beach.
Yeah, we're in Florida.
Yeah, we are. What are you doing here?
I live here now. We'll talk about this later. You continue.
God, life is confusing sometimes. Anyway. Stop filming. So weird, dude. I'm just trying to look at some fish, bro. Back to the fish. These are glowfish. We've done a video on this in the past too. Look at these guys. Look at them all. This would be super, super fun. I feel like the tanks are off. Is it like super quiet or is it me? Garami. This is a garami. The little things in the bottom of them. Alright, that's like a deja vu clip right there, but what tank do we buy? Which one? I'm thinking like a 5-gallon. This looks pretty solid to me, if you ask me. This comes with everything. It says aquarium starter kit. It's got the net, the thermometer, and a filter. It's got a filter. It comes with everything. We gotta do it. This one comes with a heater for an extra 20 bucks. And this is 10 gallons. This is bigger. Yeah, we're just gonna put that in the car. Yep. We bought it. Now this is where Taylor comes into hand. They don't have nearly as much as they had last time. Oh my God, that one is, that's not good. That's not good. So we're at the same time rescuing a fish, honestly. That one's really, really pretty. Now we need females. We need females. This one's really nice though. Oh, and it's flustered. What about this guy? All white. That's cool. He's got a little bit of red on him. That's like the same as this one. Yellow and bluish. We got, what do we got? Some tiny ones. These are like Luna size. When I got Luna the first time, super tiny. Half moon betta. This is the same exact thing that Luna was. That one is female. So is that one. This one's got a lot of energy. I like this one. Look at her. She's just not stopping. All right, we got one betta. One. Oh my gosh. Okay. Guinea pigs. I had one of these things growing up. Hey, buddy. Look at this guy. He bit the tip of my finger off when I was a little kid in the garage. His name was Chocolate. I'm not kidding. He looked just like that. He's his brother. That's his long lost brother. Like 15 years later. Oh my gosh, I didn't know what it was. I literally looked down and I thought it was like a little hamster. Hey, I thought you were a little hamster or something. I didn't know what the heck you were. You are just cute as a little button. He came out the corner like, what's up? I think he belongs in here, I'll be honest with you. I don't. Hey, meeting Cuffaros out here. This is amazing. Okay, we need to find substrate. That's a little too big.
Okay.
Betta fish love to sit. That's too big. Betta fish love to sit inside. That's Brenton. Okay. Betta fish love to sit inside stuff, especially to like sleep and stuff. They'll lay on things. So this could be pretty good, or something that we could actually stick onto the glass. I think they sell stuff specifically for betta fish. Sushi bar. We got some plants here we can pick from. Let's grab one. Ready? This one, perfect. Not too sharp or anything.
Get him his own sushi bar.
I already said that.
This is exactly what Brenton said.
She literally came over here like...
This is exact.
Like she listened to me and then came and said it.
So should we get the sushi bar? It's real talked about.
Ooh.
Sushi. Oh my gosh. Look what Taylor just found. It's literally a betta package. Betta fish, whatever you want to call it. I know I'm gonna get hate for that. Betta sleeping bed. I was talking about them laying on stuff. This is literally exactly what I was looking for. All right, so we can get rid of this and this. No, we can keep. No, no. No, we're keeping this. We have to keep the sushi bar. It's part of the meme at this point. So we got one fish, sushi bar, the whole kit right here. This literally is the 5-piece betta kit, decor kit, and then the tank, which has all this stuff right here. A top, light, heater, thermometer, net, filter, cartridge, filter, and that, I don't know what that is. We're looking pretty solid, boys and girls. We're looking pretty solid. They have glow betta? That's definitely not too healthy. Should we get this one?
Oh, that one's.
That one's not, oh, okay, yep, let's not buy that one. That's $20. That would probably just go down the drain.
The toilet, to be actually exact.
For real though, this one is about the prettiest one that's here.
I like this blue one.
I love the way his fins are all.
My fault.
Where?
Let me shut up.
Is it a female? Or that's a male, it's gotta be a male. Yep, male. Now keep in mind, we have just got that new house with a fish room, and we're gonna put so much stuff inside that fish room. If you're not familiar, you'll have to go watch the video, but I got another place, a second house, and it has a fish room in it. We're gonna bring all the tanks there. Animals will be at the farm, obviously, and we'll just be hopping back and forth, making content everywhere. Content! Subscribe down below if you're not already. I promise you won't regret it. But this tank that we're making today will be easily transferred. All we gotta literally do is pick it up with our hands because it's so light. But that'll be going to that house as well, and I think I'm gonna do like a massive remodel on it. Maybe we'll do something even cooler with it. So just keep in mind, whatever we're making here today is not exactly 100% permanent. Back to the fish. I've been slacking. I need to just pick this out. That's way too small. I don't like that.
That's the one you picked.
I know, but you don't see
idiot.
it. Two of these beautiful ones. I already got one of them.
That's what I said.
Right? The elephant ear.
Yes. No.
All right, sold.
Okay.
This one's bigger though. I like this one better. Sorry, bud. No, I got him now. I can't look
Yeah,
at him
you
the
can't
same
do
way.
that.
I gotta say it. I gotta say it. There you go, bud. To all the people about to comment down below, every betta fish needs 40,000 gallons. I'm just waiting to see the comments. I already know they're gonna be down there. All right, fellas, we have gotten everything we need from the store. The tank, 10 gallons, the whole entire decor kit, our little sushi bar, and our 2 betta fish here. We're gonna hop online now and check out. I'm super excited for this. It's gonna be epic. Yep, like it, baby. We got everything. We're going home. We are back, and here's everything we bought yesterday. We got our 2 betta fish right here. Beautiful little fish. Let me get you a better look on them. And there is 2 right there. So now we gotta name the pig in the backyard and these 2 betta fish. So drop some comments. We also have our tank here. This is a 10-gallon tank. Pretty much everything you need to start up. It even comes with a little net. Our sushi bar, which will go dead smack in the middle. And then we have all these plants right here that come in this kit. I'm definitely gonna put the rocks, definitely gonna put that suction cup bed there for them. And then probably that and that, not the sharper one. Betta fish like to lay on a lot of the things that are in the tank, and you don't want anything sharp, especially like sharper plants that can stab their gills and stuff like that. So I tend not to put stuff like that into the aquarium. What could be avoided, might as well avoid. So right here is the kit for all the decor. And then our 2 betta fish, and again, perfect little temporary home for our 2 little guys. You just gotta hope everything does good, because a lot of times you could buy betta fish from these stores that are like corporate like this, and they don't always do well. I picked the ones that I thought looked the healthiest. As you know, we saw one that wasn't even alive still. So hopefully y'all are healthy. This one's pooping, look at that. Premium female Dumbo elephant ear. I'm gonna unbox this real quick, and then I'll pick up the camera. Look at that. Whoop. And there is the inside of the tank. Tank is officially just a tank now, no more cardboard. We got all the stuff to the side. What we do now is completely rinse everything. Rinse all of the plants inside, all these plastic plants. Rinse the house, rinse everything pretty much. And then we can start putting things in. Everything is rinsed off now. Leftover substrate from a past project. I just threw it inside the tank. Looks good. Now next step is plants, which is super easy. Shimmy them down, cover them up. This is what they get to sleep on, so we just suction cup this to the glass like that. And they'll kind of just hover on that. We have this really cool like succulent looking artificial plant. We got this bag of rock that came with it, which we'll open up and just kind of. That's looking fire right there. I like that, I like that. We got all that right there, over there. Now I was going to put this heater right here into the aquarium. You gotta keep the temperatures between about 75 and 80 degrees inside a tank for a betta fish. This right here is not the best heater for betta fish though, because they actually like to lean up on stuff. It could burn that betta fish, like quite literally burn. So I'm not gonna put this in for now. I do have the little sticky things on there if I did want to, but I'm gonna put this to the side. If the water gets too cold, you can always get a heat pad. It's like a pad heater and it goes under the aquarium, which then warms the water from beneath. That's what you get if you wanna heat a betta fish tank. Okay, now onto the filter setup and all that stuff, which I'll just skip over, straight to filling up the tank. Pop this on. You can drop this piece to any level depending on the depth of your tank. We're gonna put it pretty low, right there. Thermometer. Yep, I have a fever. It's raining at the sushi bar. That's more like a tsunami or something. Filter is primed and going. Boo! That looks so much better. Got the sushi house, rocks, plant, sleeping plant, another plant, rocks from an old aquarium, which definitely helps with the beneficial bacteria. The tank looks amazing. It's pretty big, it's got a lot of space for them. Here they are right here, about to go into their new aquarium here in just a little bit. Before that, we got some quick start from API. Y'all know this is the big sponsor of my channel. This stuff right here is a speeding process for the growth of an aquarium. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks to build a sustainable amount of bacteria, and this right here speeds that process up extremely. It actually is good enough to start the aquarium off and get fish for it right away. I'm not kidding, I've done this before and the fish live. So in this case, 10 milliliters, which is 1 cap full, is 10 gallons. So we obviously have a 10-gallon tank. We're gonna do 1 cap full. And then I always like to throw just a little bit extra. A quick start in there. We'll let that run for a little bit and I'll catch up to you in a bit before we put these guys into the tank. They're meeting for the very first time. They're actually trying to swim away. They're trying to get out of the bag. The fish are in for acclimating. I just dumped both cups into a plastic bag so that I could put it into the tank and let them acclimate into the temperature. It's looking good though, pretty solid. I'm super excited. They're gonna look very, very good in this tank, and we could probably get some other fish to go with them as well. Got his little gulp of air, and that's how they could literally live in puddles. They could breathe air, kind of like a snakehead. The fish are about to go in, but I wanted to mention on June 12th and 13th, I'm going to be at Aquashella 2021. I'm super excited to announce it. Last meet and greet blew up. This is the first one I've done in a couple of years, so be there, be square. Top link in the description, get your tickets now before they sell out. It's coming up here in like 10 days, so I hope to see you there. Now let's put the fish in. Look at them. They're best friends. Now if we miss the net, they're going right down the drain. I'm just kidding, no they're not. Going just like that. Now you got both betas. Look how pretty those things are. Woo! See you later! He's chilling right back there in the very back. And we got the other one up here in the corner right there. Getting a gasp of air. The tank is officially done. We can get some more stuff for this. If you have any suggestions on what fish we should get for it other than the beta fish, drop them down in the comments down below. I love each and every one of you. Subscribe if you're new. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Shiver me.
Stop.
I'm shivering.